Today in this video, we will see how to delete an application on iPhone or how to remove particular application from iPhone. It is easy and simple method. Let's see how to do it. First of all, make sure that particular application is available on the home screen. Okay, like this. If that particular application is not available on the home screen, how to add it? Very easy. Just do one thing, swipe down and search for an application. Okay, type the name and search for it and just go ahead, hard press it, just drag it here and get on the home screen like that. So it is available here on the home screen. So now to remove it, it's very easy. Just go ahead, tap on the application and hard press it. From here, choose remove app. Okay, and here from here choose delete app. Instantly that particular application will be removed from your iPhone that moment. So guys, it is how you can delete application from iPhone instantly with this method. So I hope you got the video. I hope it helped you, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.